So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view a stock chart here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView for this example. I'm just going to go to my watch list tab right here in the bottom left. Go to the top right and press on the plus icon, and I'm just going to go ahead and type in Apple right here. Ticker symbol AAPL, not APPL, AAPL. I'm going to go ahead and press on the stock right here and add it to my watch list. So now that I have this added to my watch list, you don't have to do this, by the way, but for this example, do this. Once this is done, just go to your watch list and press on the stock right here. Then all of a sudden, your stock chart is going to open up. So you have the 1-day chart right here. Here's the 5-day chart, the 1-month chart, the 3-month chart, the 6-month chart, year-to-date chart, 1-year chart, 5-year chart, as well as the all-time chart right here for this stock. You can go ahead and view the overview, all this kind of stuff, the key stats right here. But basically, when it comes to the stock chart, it is here right in front of you at your disposal. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to add, or I guess how to view a stock chart here on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.